All right, we're good.
So if squatting is difficult to get your feet flat on the floor, try this. You're going to use the foot wakers. And you're going to put them, you can start with them just in the back of the heel, like this. So first just do that, let the whole spine relax down. Sometimes I interlace my fingers and I can just pull forward. This gives the entire spine from the tailbone to the top of the neck where it inserts into the skull. And I just stay here. I can additionally, if I want to try something else, I can wrap again around, take those wakers just in front of the heel, and take some nice long deep breaths. I can lengthen out the toes and straighten them as best as mine do. I'm going to wrap because I don't want to collapse on the inside. And additionally, then you can try a little bit of a turn out, which makes you sit even deeper. So if this is not available for you to sit into full squat, it really starts to open the spine. You're just going to place those wakers right under there. Trying to keep the weight on the outside ball of the foot is key, not allowing this to collapse in. We use our foot fitness principles added to this squat for best and optimal posture. Big, full, deep breaths from the base of the feet through the legs and spine and out the head. And as you exhale, just let the weight sink in there. And if you take time during your day to do this and get up from the computer, this is very revitalizing for your spine. It's going to reset and open up your whole sacral area that is tight from sitting. So I hope you enjoyed that.